So I got Mr. Turkey here. Tiny guy, about 7 pounds. But for demo purposes, to be honest with you, a smaller bird always has more tender, more juicy. That's just my take on things. But anyhow, we've got a small bird here. I took out the innards and the neck and stuff like that. Just gonna cut the skin here. And breaking down a turkey is really easy. If you saw that video I did how we broke down the chicken, it's pretty much the same thing. But this piece of fat here, this is kind of offensive to look at. That's gonna go into the rubbish. But anyhow, what we would do is, so this is the breast, this is the leg, thigh. We're just gonna give them a cut there and pull back, cut, pull back. And we're just gonna continue, and you're gonna hear that click. That is the hip bone separating from the back of the shoulder. And we're just gonna use our knife like so. And we've got, over for a second, partner. We've got the drumstick and we've got the thigh. So I'm gonna flip it over, and you're gonna see a sort of a line where the thigh meets the drumstick. I'm not sure how clear you guys can see there on the camera, but what we will do is then go right there and go between the bones, and you need a sharp knife. And now we've got the drumstick and we've got the thigh. I'm just gonna set that aside. As far as the wings are concerned, you want to flip the bird over. Flip the flip the bird. We're just gonna cut, pull back, and we go in between the joint where the sort of drumette connects to the rib cage, and we're gonna go between the bone again, sharp knife, and cut all the way through. Now we have a wing. Right? I don't necessarily use the wing tip, so I usually cut that out. That can go into your stock pot. Now, as far as the wing is concerned, we can just cut down the center here where the drumette meets the flat. We go down the center, and we go straight down, separate, and cut. So we've got the flat and we've got the drumette. We're gonna just repeat the same thing on this side. So the wing, cut between the bones. I'm just gonna keep that for now. The drum, thigh, same idea. We're gonna cut where they connect here. So give it a cut. Then you're gonna press down. You're gonna hear that snap where the bone snaps. And that is where you're gonna cut between, as we did with the last one. So there's that drum and thigh. And we're still breaking it down. We've got the back, which makes for a great stock, soup and stuff like that. So this is the breast. I'm just gonna work my knife down the rib cage on the side here, breaking it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, like so. And then I'm just gonna give it a chop, separate it. So there we go, we've got the back and we've got the entire turkey breast here. I'm just gonna trim a little bit of the skin because I need that skin for the recipe. And if you're interested in learning how to stuff a turkey breast, you know, some people, 2 people, 3 people, you don't want to cook a whole turkey, you run to the store, you buy a turkey breast, and boom bam, you can organize at home. Make a stuffed turkey breast. I'm just gonna pull the skin back because I want this skin to use when I do my stuffed turkey breast, but that video will be coming out pretty soon if you guys are interested in watching that. This part here is just me removing the skin from the turkey breast, like so. And that's going to expose the sort of breastbone here. We're going to cut down. Well, first of all, if we flip it over and you want to keep the bone on the turkey breast, all you would do is hit that to snap there, put it back, press, and then just work that knife like so. I don't want to cut the skin, so I'm just going to peel it back like so. So I've got the turkey breast with the skin on and a turkey breast without the skin. To debone it, all I would do is put it back down. You need a sharp knife and just trim off these sort of slimy, sort of nasty, sort of, yeah, we ain't really trying to vibes with that. And with a sort of a scraping motion with the tip of my knife, I'm just pulling back with my left hand and working. Be very gentle, be very careful. And we're just working the knife along the sort of rib cage here. And there is the bone, and there is a boned or boneless turkey breast. We still got the sort of middle bone here, so I'm going to flip it over and work on the sides all the way down. There we go. We've got a boneless turkey breast. So boneless, skin on, bone. We've got the back. We've got the thigh and the leg. We've got the drumette. We've got the wing. We've got the drum. We've got the thigh. And we've got the complete wing. So Chris here, CaribbeanPot.com. Always a pleasure having you guys here in the kitchen with me. You just learned how easy it is. I do apologize for the long video, but I really wanted to show you guys how to break down a full turkey. If you know, if some of you may only want to roast the leg, or you want to just have the wings, you know, smother the wings, or the thighs, or the back makes a great curry as well too. Always a pleasure, yeah? Enjoy. And don't forget, tune in tomorrow and I'll show you guys how to do that stuffed turkey breast. You're gonna love that. What's up, soldiers? Listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I mean, trying to tell people the email address, them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pod. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie.